Globetrotters, dream chasers, and harmony seekers, this is your pulse on the planet from USA Jim International Hub, where borders blur and stories soar, channeling the electric soul of Jimi Hendrix into every connection we forge. From Seattle's rainy riffs to Singapore's shimmering shores, we're your bridge to the world's wild rhythms. Today, October 19, 2025, we dive into the headlines that shape our shared journey, triumphs, tensions, and tributes that remind us, in diversity, we find our groove. Kicking off in the Middle East, where fragile truces teeter like a high-wire act, Israeli forces struck Gaza amid a U.S. brokered ceasefire that's barely held since October 11. Aid caravans stall at the Rafah crossing, as voices from Jerusalem to Gaza cry for dialogue over destruction. At USA Jimmy, where amplifying calls for peace, our cultural exchange programs pair Israeli and Palestinian artists in Seattle workshops, turning conflict into collaboration. Because when the world's on edge, we tune into understanding. Shifting sands to South Asia, a Qatar-Turkey-mediated ceasefire lights a spark of hope between Pakistan and Afghanistan, with Doha declarations vowing to end border clashes that have scarred too many families. Yet, echoes of strife linger. Pakistan blasts the ICC for a biased nod to fallen Afghan cricketers, ignoring crossfire complexities. Here at the Hub, we're rallying cricket diplomacy. Join our virtual leagues connecting Lahore to Kabul, where bats swing for solidarity, not suspicion. Across the Atlantic, Paris awakens to a heist straight out of a thriller. Burglars scaled the Louvre's Seine-side scaffolding in a midnight raid on the world's art crown. No masterpiece is missing yet, but the chase is on, blending high culture with high drama. USA Jim Tip. Our Paris pop-up tours now include Night at the Museum, security seminars, because safeguarding beauty means safeguarding our global heritage. In the stars of science, we bid farewell to a giant. Chinese-American physicist Chen-Ning Yang, Nobel co-laureate for shattering parity laws, leaves us at 103. His equations bend reality. His legacy bends minds toward tomorrow. From our innovation labs in Seattle, we're honoring trailblazers like Yang with STEM scholarships for underrepresented youth worldwide, equations that equalize opportunity. Stateside, the streets hum with resistance. No kings, protests swell from Georgia to the Golden Gate, decrying immigration iron fists and slashed social safety nets under the Trump administration. Chants of one nation, many voices, unite the chorus against division. USA Jimmy stands with the marchers. Our visa advocacy arm fast-tracks asylum seekers, turning policy walls into welcome mats. And now, a spotlight on a loss that resonates across oceans, the latest on beloved Assamese icon Zubeen Garg, whose voice wove Assamese soul with universal heart. Tragically drowned on September 19 while swimming off Singapore's St. John's Island, en route to a festival gig. Zubeen's passing at 52 has ignited grief, probes, and a fierce quest for truth. Singapore police confirm no initial foul play, but their investigation could stretch another 3 months under the Coroner's Act. An Assam sit, led by CID's Mana Prasad Gupta, jets to Singapore tomorrow for a pivotal October 21 meet-up, armed with autopsy insights shared via India's High Commission. Back home, 5 suspects, including festival organizer Shyamkanu Mahanta, manager Siddharth Sharma, cousin DSP Sandapan Garg, security duo Nanswa Bora and Prabhan Baishaya, plus bandmate Shekhar Jyoti Goswami and co-singer Amrit Prabha Mahanta, sit in Baxter Jail's judicial custody, facing homicide, conspiracy, and negligence charges with murder whispers added. Shocking allegations swirl. Goswami claims poisoning masked as accident, backed by a definite angle from Viscera reports hinting at foul play. Financial trails over 1.1 crore rupees from SUS accounts deepen the mystery. Zubeen's wife, Garima Sakia, demands justice after handing back the second autopsy. Protests rock Baxter on the 15th, with stone-throwing fans clashing amid Lathi charges. Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma vows closure, another step towards justice for Zubeen. A judicial commission probes on, while Assam mourns with memorials in Jorhat and Guwahati. Zubeen's irreligious, inclusive spirit, bridging castes and creeds, lives in every lyric. At USA Jimmy, we're curating tribute concerts linking Assam's echoes to Hendrix's haze, proving music mends what mysteries mar. As the world whirls, remember, USA Jimmy International Hub isn't just news, it's your compass. We craft visas that vibe with your vision, tours that transcend turmoil, and communities that convert chaos to chorus. Inspired by Jims, all along the Watchtower, we watch, we wander, we unite. Tune in tomorrow for more. Visit UsajiminternationalHub.com.